Question is, find the distance between the points P, A plus B into A minus B, and point Q. Point Q is A minus B into A plus B. So we have to find distance between the points P and Q by using distance formula. P is A plus B, comma A minus B. Compare with x1, comma y1. x1 is A plus B, y1 is A minus B. What is Q? Q is A minus B, comma A plus B. Compare with x2, comma y2. x2 is A minus B, y2 is A plus B. So x1 is A plus B, y1 is A minus B, x2 is A minus B, y2 is A plus B. We have to find distance PQ. We have to find distance PQ by using distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to x2 minus x1. What is x2? x2 is A minus B. What is x1? x1 is A plus B whole square plus what is y2? y2 is A plus B minus what is y1? y1 is A minus B. A minus B minus into A minus into plus B minus B whole square plus A plus B minus into A minus into minus B plus B whole square. A will cancel minus A will cancel minus A. Minus B minus 2B whole square plus B plus B 2B whole square, which is equal to square root of 2B whole square is 4B square plus 2B whole square is 4B square, which is equal to 8B square. So PQ is square root of 8B square. Factorize 2 to the 4 to the 8 B into B. This is pair of 2. This is pair of B. So take 2 into root 2 into B. यूनिट फिर से समझिए आप. कंपेयर A plus B, A minus B with x1 y1, A minus B, A plus B with x2, y2. So x1 is A plus B, y1 is A minus B, x2 is A minus B, y2 is A plus B. Put value in the distance formula. A minus B minus bracket में A plus B. तो A will cancel minus B और minus B is minus 2B. Here A plus B minus into A minus into B plus B. A will cancel minus A. B plus B 2B. So minus 2B whole square plus 2B whole square. This is equal to 4B square plus 4B square, which is equal to square root of 8B square. Factorize 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8. Factorize B square, B into B. this pair of 2, this is pair of b, so this is equal to 2 square root of 2 into b unit.